Today I'm making rose petal cookies. These are quick and easy, but a real treat. Ingredients are flour, butter, sugar, rose petals, rose water, and a little bit of salt. Start by chopping up the rose petals. If you bought the roses, please make sure that they are food grade, as the cut flower industry uses a lot of pesticides. Cut the cold butter into chunks. Add the sugar, salt and rose water and mash into one mass. This can seem hopeless at first, but if you persist it'll work. Promise. Sift the flour and integrate into your butter and sugar mass. This works best if you add the flour not all at once, but bit by bit. Now add the rose petals to your dough. Give it a quick, and I do mean quick, knead until it forms one clump. Wrap in cling film. If anyone has any tips on how to make dealing with cling film less of an ordeal, please share. Keep the dough in the fridge overnight. This will give the rose petals time to develop their delicate flavor. I'm cutting a bit of dough as it's a bit much for one cookie sheet. If your oven is bigger than mine, you don't have to. Roll your cookie dough into a sort of log shape, about 5 centimeters or 1.5 inches thick. Then cut slices about 0.5 centimeter or 1/5 of an inch wide. This is starting to sound kind of like a math problem. Place on a baking paper covered cookie sheet and bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 11 minutes. Take out of the oven and allow to cool. And you're done! These cookies are perfect for a girls' night in. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might think about subscribing.